everyone, welcome to our vlog. This is our vlog. Ching 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 ching. So now we're going for a walk with my little brother and me. Me. Yes, with me. We're going for a walk. For a walk. Look at guys. Time check is 6:03 p.m. Yeah, p.m. And look at that. Look at our view today. Diba? Super beautiful, just like my day. Hee hee. So for today's video, guys, smile. Bati. There is a person there. Truly. See you mamaya. Bye. Ping. Hello everyone. Uy, gulat. Look at that, guys. Look at up there. It's so cute. Cute. It's so nice. Jan, jan, jan. And that's what we're saying. We're going for a walk. And look at the street, guys. There's no other people here. Only us. Only us. Me and my brother. Look at that house. It sounds creepy, but I don't know. Earth. Shun. Smile the. See you again later. Boo boo. Guys, so.
Wow, it's a good.
Look what we are. Where we are. Kita nyo? Diba? It's so nice here. Nandito na kami sa kabilang barangay. Hindi na namin namalayan. Ay, nice prank. Look guys, we're just enjoying the view. I'm sorry for the darkness. I'm practicing my English language right now. Yeah. Hello guys, ngayon ay babalik na kami sa aming bahay. Kasi anong oras na? 6? Naman kami. Hindi na guys. Diyan. Ba? So it's so madilim na here. And tao. Hello? Oh no. I just said that. That's all. Bye.
A few moments later.
Ayan. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Kagabi, ang aking mga anak, si Jean Marie at si James, ay sila ang nag-video doon sa highway para may upload daw ako kasi naawa daw sila sa akin na kung ano-ano na lang ang aking maiisip para may upload. Salamat sa inyong suporta, lahat-lahat kayo ng mga bagong kaibigan, sa mga shoutout din sa mga supporter ko dati. salamat din sa inyong lahat-lahat. God bless.